In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Barista Bot in Twilio Studio. By the end, you'll have an automated messaging flow that can greet customers and handle simple coffee shop interactions. First, head to the Twilio website and sign into your console. Once you're in, start by setting up a phone number. In the left navigation, open phone numbers, then go to Manage and choose Buyer Number. When you search, make sure the number you select supports both SMS and voice. Even if you plan to start with texting only, having both capabilities gives you flexibility to expand later without changing numbers. Confirm the purchase and you're set. Next, let's build the flow. In the console, open Studio. This is Twilio's visual builder for communication workflows. Inside Studio, choose Flows and click Create New Flow. Give your project a clear name, something like Barista Bot, so it's easy to find later, especially if you create multiple bots. You'll now see a set of starting options. Studio includes templates such as appointment reminders, IVR, and a messaging chatbot. For a fast start, select the pre-made messaging chatbot. It lays out a basic conversation that you can customize for a cafe experience. This is great for beginners because it saves time wiring up common steps like greeting, collecting inputs, and sending replies. With the template loaded, tweak the settings to match your brand and use case. Update the welcome message to introduce your Barista Bot and set the tone. Replace the default prompts with options relevant to a coffee shop. Think menu highlights, store hours, or pickup instructions. Adjust any conditions so the bot responds naturally to common phrases customers might send. Keep messages concise, friendly, and actionable. As you edit, use clear variable names and short descriptions for each widget. This makes future updates easier and helps teammates understand the flow at a glance. When your updates look good, click Next. Here's an important step. Connect the phone number you purchased to this flow. Assigning the number ensures any incoming messages and optionally calls are routed directly into your Barista Bot. Double-check the selected number to avoid sending traffic to the wrong flow. Finally, click Publish. Publishing makes your changes live, so your flow uses the latest version. If you ever update the dialog or add new paths, just publish again to push the changes. That's it, your Barista Bot is built in Twilio Studio, ready to start engaging your customers with a smooth, cafe-friendly conversation.